Welcome to 218 Ocean Street in the Little Lake Harbor Yacht Club section of Beach Haven. In a favored location, this renovated island-inspired beach house is truly a showpiece.
They have done an absolute stunning transformation of this home. Just wait until you get inside.
Beginning in the living room, the designer furnishings tie the rooms together with a fresh decor of coastal-inspired tones that are orchestrated to a connoisseur's standard of perfection.
My wife is an incredible visionary. She has been able to transform every space in this home to just an exceptional level.
The well-appointed floor plan progresses to the open dining room and gourmet kitchen.
The kitchen renovation was probably my most favorite part of renovating this home.
Equipped to chef standards, the kitchen was custom designed with furniture-grade cabinetry, granite counters, subway tiled backsplash, and stainless appliances. An artful fusion of tradition and modern flair are found in the East Elevation Master Suite, with a new master bath, plus 2 generously sized bedrooms and a new full bath. A nautical stair leads to the second floor, where the dormer addition offers 3 additional large bedrooms and full bath.
We have comfortably accommodated up to 18 people, and we have such wonderful memories.
We've loved so many things about this home, but first and foremost is it can be so many things. That when it's my wife and I, our immediate family, it's this cozy beach cottage. It's just us. But then suddenly, with our extended family and friends through the years and their kids, it's this gathering place, this multi-generational gathering place at the beach. It feels good, the number of our friends that have stayed with us, and 3 days after they leave, a week after they leave, they say, I gotta tell you, I never knew the Jersey Shore was like that. You live in such a wonderful neighborhood, and we had such a great time.
It's just been a wonderful beach house. We've really had a lot of great memories, and I think we're gonna miss it.
This perfect expression of casually elegant yacht club living is located near downtown Beach Haven and in the Little Lake Harbor Yacht Club section, making this the most sought-after area. Properties like this will not last. Call today for a showing.